Hey guys, so come with me on a Nika haul where I show you what I brought from Black Friday sale. So there was sale going on in Nika and I impulsively shopped a lot when I was about to sleep yesterday. So yeah, come with me where I unpack all these things and show you, and you comment down which one you thought is necessary and is not required. So let's get on with it. So Lemar Bell Nunchi, I bought a gua sha. ఎందుకు అంటే చాలా రోజుల నుంచి అంటే ఫేస్ ఫిట్నెస్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను అనుకున్న దానికంటే చాలా చిన్నగా వచ్చింది. బట్ యా, అండ్ ఇది కొంచెం రిలీఫ్ కూడా అనిపిస్తుంది ఫేస్ ఫిట్నెస్తో పాటి లింఫాటిక్ నోడ్స్ అనుకుంటా. సో యా, దాని మీద కొంచెం మసాజ్ చేస్తే రిలీఫ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది అండ్ యూల్ ఫేస్ విల్ బి లైక్ స్లీప్, జా లైన్ అండ్ క్యారీ బ్యాగ్స్ లేకుండా, ఈ ఫ్యాట్ లేకుండా ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ ఐ విల్ యూజ్ దిస్ ఆర్ నాట్. యూ కెన్ సే దిస్ ఇస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఇంపల్సివ్ బయింగ్, బట్ if I use it, it is not. So let's hope I use this. We'll go with the next one, but this is a pretty color. I didn't want to buy a kind of like pink one because everyone has a pink one and there was a black option which didn't look aesthetic, so I bought a green one. I know, this is 1 liter of Cetaphil face wash. I don't know like why I bought 1 liter, but I've been using Cetaphil for like 4 months and it suits my skin so good. And every time I used to buy the smallest bottle, and when I calculated the price, right, I saved around 300 when I bought this. So girl math, you can say. But yeah, probably for the next 1 year I might not buy any face wash because of this, but I had a good deal. This was around 1500 rupees. Yeah, I saved 100 from the Black Friday sale. But nevertheless, I am like addicted to this face wash and I would recommend. I know, because I also didn't like the face wash because it does not have any foam, but after I started using it and how my skin felt, I am now addicted. So go for it, guys. Try it. I know it doesn't lather up, I know you will not get foam, but still this works wonders on your skin. So yeah, this one, this is a good shopping option. Skincare, guys, skincare is the best. Okay, done with the first package. Yeah, I know the first package had only 2 products and the complete package was filled with that 1 liter bottle of Cetaphil face wash. At this point of time, I can become the brand ambassador of Cetaphil. But Cetaphil, do collab with me, okay? Coming to the second Chotusa package. Actually, I have around 3 products in this small package, and this package costed me more than the other one. That's why I don't prefer makeup, because I don't know, makeup is good when you want to wear it, but the cost is too high. So that's why I save my makeup to the happiest or on the occasions when I want to look good and somewhat special. Then I wear makeup. So usually I go with skincare. All my favorite items are in this box. So first I'll show you the Victoria's Secret perfume. So I've tried one Victoria's Secret perfume which my friend was using and I was in love with this. So I quickly took that perfume from my friend and then I wanted one of my own. So I bought this. I don't know how it smells, but I'm just trying it. Hint of truth. Phone మీద పడింది. This is good, but not my kind of vibe. This is like flowery and fresh. I prefer only flowery ones, but this is a good option. Good. It's a keep. Actually, I am obsessed with perfumes. It's like for 7 days of the week, I need seven different perfumes because I want to smell differently every day. Every day, same perfume, that's not my kind of vibe. So, even though I have three, four kind of perfumes in my wardrobe, I bought one more because I'm a perfume addict at this point of time, because I have one citrus perfume, one floral perfume, one fresh, that summery kind of vibe, and one more flowery, and this is one more, and then the other normal mist kind of things. So, yeah, I am a perfume addict. It's okay. I take pride in it. Secret love spell. It is flowery and it's fresh. You can try it. Yes. I smell good. This is blush from K Beauty. This is a cream blush with in the shade. What's the shade? I don't know. The shade is cream blush. Huh? The shade is Rosy Romance. I've been using lip gloss or lip tint as blush, so I wanted a proper blush this time. That's why I bought it. And it's heavily pigmented, so even if I take a little bit, you can still see the pigment here. I took like very little of it, but you can see the pigment here. I will try on my skin. I out of all the makeup products that we usually do, my favorite is the blush. I can just do the skincare, uh, put on some blush, and then ready to go out. So yeah, blush is my favorite makeup product among all the ones, you can say. So I prefer blushes. And it lasts because I just had to use only this much for this. So I think it will last me around like 6 months maybe, even if it's a small package. So it's worth buying. And the shade is Rosy Romance. If you want, you can buy it as well. And the last one, it's a highlighter from K Beauty. So this is kind of peachy highlighter. It's not gold. I did not want powder highlighters because, like, I don't know, after few days, right, the powder, it becomes gross. I can't keep my makeup carefully, and then if I throw it around in some corner, or if I carry it with me, and then somehow the powder, it spreads everywhere, and uh, it becomes gross. So I always wanted a liquid highlighter. So I've never bought a highlighter. This is my first one. I've seen one person trying this in mall, so I thought, why not, I'll also try it and use it. So you see this? That's the color, the beauty. I can say that I am a noob in makeup, so I'm not a pro, but I am trying, guys. I don't know when I will use this highlighter, but better be ready. Oh my god. That also I will use it for 1 year, I guess. See, I only took that much amount, and you can already see the effect here. I'll apply for my nose as well. I think people apply highlighter for nose also. Hmm. Yes. See, I still have this much left, and my makeup is done already. That's it, cuties. I hope you like all my purchases. Rate which one is not worth it, but still I bought it from the sale. बट या एंड ऑल्सो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि कौन सा आपको पसंद आया. I might do vlogs in Hindi. Okay. Comment down which one you like and which one you thought was not necessary. So yeah, see you again with one more skincare and makeup. Bye.